Hey y'all, so my Trendsi order just got here, and this one's extra fun because it's actually from my online clothing store. I know, kinda cool, right? This time though, it's all for me. Let's open it. Yes, these black sneakers, tell me they're not perfect. They're so simple but so clean. Like you can wear these with jeans, a skirt, a dress, and they'll work. And the best part is I carry them in my store. So technically, I'm shopping for myself. Okay, I've been stalking the tracking number for days. Opening a package never gets old. Let's see what's inside from my store. Ooh, everything is packed so nicely. Okay, this top is super soft. Definitely a throw on and go kind of shirt. And here's a simple one, basic but in a good way. You know, the kind of top you wear a million times because it just works with everything. Oh, now this one's giving me date night vibes. The color is gorgeous in person. And yep, also from my store. Alright, that's my little personal Trendsi haul. Sneakers, a few cute tops, and a happy me. It's kind of cool getting to shop from your own store, right? Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments, and I'll see you in the next vlog.